Hi there, my name is Gunnar Matheny. I'm with McClain's RV of Oklahoma City, getting ready to celebrate our 60th anniversary. Today on our walkthrough, we are going to discuss the brand new 2023 Tiffin Allegro Bay Super C that has just been released in the last few weeks. Very excited to show you the exterior. We're going to then go inside and show you some of the high points of the inside too. So, starting with this, speaking of Tiffin, Tiffin is also celebrating their 50th anniversary. That's what has also kind of stemmed into bringing the Allegro Bay name back that has been in their pocketbook for years and years and years. Brand new paint scheme has not been released yet. This 39-foot Class C Super C is going to be on a Freightliner chassis, 360 horsepower from Cummins. As we're going through here, there's going to be several points of stuff that Tiffin is not normally known for. One thing, these frameless windows, majority of their Class A lineup that they have ever done has always been your standard RV dual pane windows. These frameless windows make a really nice clean look on this paint colored scheme. Side view cameras, all of these baggage doors is kind of the trademark of everything Tiffin builds. These are all built in-house. I love, they are just like a car door. One slam every time closes. You're not having to battle getting them closed. Seals, you know that when it clicks, it's locked. 12,000 pounds of towing on this. It's going to be anything that can get you all of your toys down the road. 150 gallons of fresh water. We're talking boondocking, tailgating, super large inverter. The other thing, we ordered this one with the all electric. So this is going to be heated, your furnace and hot water through the AquaHot system. That will be your main heating source. This is just meant to go off grid, enjoy the open road, the scenery. Beautiful thing that another thing Tiffin does on all of their motorhomes, this has your one-piece fiberglass capped. They did a really job, unique design. With the rear diesel fill, you can access filling your motorhome from either side. Now let's take you inside. I want to show you a lot of the nice updates that they've done on this brand new 38AB floor plan. Bringing you guys inside now to the Tiffin Allegro Bay Super C. I love the nice easy access of all of the steps, great grab handle, all of your easy push button controls, auto gen start, auto level, everything's easily located, easy to see. As we work our way to the front, we have our Freightliner chassis driving system. You do receive navigation, air ride seats. Also, we are getting rear air suspension on this motorhome also. And I think this is the best I've ever seen in the industry, this overhead bunk system. It is on your struts, easily comes down, easily goes back up. You're not having to worry about knocking your head on anything. You can stand up in here easily, step out. Easily can put two people up top here, and no fumbling around with having to get all your window coverings in. When you're ready for your privacy, just simply pull the screen down. As we work our way through the living and kitchen area, I have two power theater seats positioned directly across from your televator. When you want that extra view, when you want to see what's going on outside, just hit the button, your TV will go all the way down. And then they do come included with the opposing sleeper sofa. Endless amounts of counter space, beautiful galley window with backsplash. We have our nice LG convection microwave, real hardwood cabinetry and trim throughout. That is kind of another staple of Tiffin, going the extra mile with their in-house workshop. We did order ours with the dishwasher. Always love that sound that it makes. This easily collapses in, but it gives you more counter space. Of course, great drawers. We ordered our motorhome with the office dinette. So I love this as a couples coach. It's giving you plenty of counter space to be able to look out your windows. You do have the day and night shades throughout. Great lighting. More storage. When you want this out of your way, simply click and drop. Big residential refrigerator with built-in ice maker. It's the little things that you don't think about, but Tiffin is doing the thinking for you. We have access to our trash can from both sides. When your slide is in, you still want to be able to get to your wastebasket. You can access it from both sides. They did a great job of positioning outlets everywhere for what you need. And behind me we have our traditional pull-out pantry. Tiffin always does a great job. I have never seen anyone build them as solid as what Tiffin does. Fully adjustable for all your supplies that you'll need. Nice, deep, soft closed drawers. I'll let you get one more look of your nice, spacious living and kitchen area as we work our way back to the restroom and bedroom. For size reasons, Tiffin chose to do a split restroom. I think it's a great idea. It gives you plenty of space. The oversized shower, easy to walk in. It also, of course, has Tiffin's trademark that they're putting in everything now, the shower miser. If you need more information on the shower miser, please reach out to any of us here at McClain's. We're happy to educate you on that. Another big feature, though, for tailgating, going off-grid, saving water, saving the planet. Directly across from your shower, we have the stool and vanity. They did a great job of giving you a medicine cabinet, plenty of counter space, loads of outlets, and plenty of room to move, change clothes, take care of business, and a great exhaust fan to make everything disappear. As I finish up with you guys at the master suite of this Tiffin Allegro Bay Super C, I do want to mention also that all of the slides on this motorhome are hydraulic. It really gives you less failure options and really gives you the peace of mind that you want while traveling across the nation. We ordered our motorhome with the king-size memory foam mattress. It also is a power tilt assist. Gets you perfect, comfortable to sit directly across from your television, where we have it fully equipped with in-motion satellite and Blu-ray DVD player. We also ordered this motorhome with your side-by-side washer and dryers, and it is not sacrificing any of your hanging space. Still gives you plenty of storage, plenty of walk space for his and hers. I've appreciated you taking your time today with us, letting me show you this amazing new motorhome by Tiffin. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or anyone at McClain's RV Oklahoma City, Oklahoma's #1 Tiffin dealer. Thank you guys.